So, you're a bird.
Ja.
And your name is Henry?
Ja.
So, tell me about yourself, Henry.
Ja.
Do you want to go into a little more detail there?
Ja.
Go ahead.
Ja.
Not one for words, are you, Henry?
Ja.
Thought so. So, where did you grow up?
Ja.
That's in...
Ja.
Okay, right. I have no idea what that is.
Ja.
That doesn't help.
Ja.
Moving on.
Ja.
So, what do you do for a living?
Ja.
Professional bird?
Ja. 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 Ja.
Are you a rich
Yeah.
bird? Is that a rich bird thing to have colorful feathers like that?
Ja.
So you're very rich?
Ja. 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 Ja.
No.
Ja.
No.
Ja.
No. So,
Ja.
so Henry,
Ja.
if someone wrote a book about you, what would it be called?
Ja.
Definitely not very good at explanations.
Ja. Ja. Ja.
Can you say anything besides ya?
Ja.
Well,
No.
so you just said nah, so you can?
No.
Yeah, you just said nah instead of ya.
No.
Yes, you just did it again!
No. Ja. 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 Ja.
You want to be a rapper?
Oh, ja.
When did you grow fingers? Stop it!
Ja. Oh. Ja. Ja. Ja.
What type of tree do you live in?
Ja.
Spruce?
Ja.
So Henry, do you know Big Bird?
Ja.
What's he like?
Ja.
I know he's big, it's in the name. Can you get a little more specific?
Ja.
That's not specific.
Ja.
Yellow doesn't help either.
Ja.
Moving on.
Ja. Ja.
So Henry, are you married?
Ja.
What's your wife's name?
Ja.
Her name is Ya.
Ja.
So you didn't forget her name.
Ja.
You forget her name.
Ja.
What did she do to you then?
Ja.
I see. How do birds sleep on the couch?
Ja.
Do you not have a couch?
Ja.
You just have to sleep out of the nest?
Ja.
So what are your hobbies, Henry?
Ja.
Really?
Ja.
That's kind of boring.
Ja.
What do bird stamps look like anyway?
Ja.
I think they're like this big, right?
Ja.
You just all have birds on them?
Ja.
Or worms?
Ja.
So how old are you, Henry?
Ja.
What do you mean a lady never tells? I thought you were a dude.
Ja.
So you are a transsexual.
Ja.
So you like to wear women's feathers.
Ja.
That's awkward.
Ja.
Did you just regurgitate the Lord, Henry?
Ja.
Put the Lord down. Do not re-eat the Lord, Henry. So, did you get to the apex that was going around?
Ja.
But you didn't die?
Ja.
You did die.
Ja.
So you're like a zombie bird?
Ja.
You eat brains?
Ja.
Bird or human?
Ja.
Both?
Ja.
So I should probably walk away now.
Ja.
What, so now you're Michael Jackson?
Ja.
Why am I to be a bird anyway?
Ugh. I think one went in my eye.
Who's a pretty bird?
Ja.
You're a pretty bird, aren't you, Henry?
Ja.
I've never pet a bird before.
Ja.
You haven't either.
Ja.
I thought you were married.
Ja.
That kind of marriage.
Ja.
I feel your pain. You're molting.
Ja.